Let's read a book. What book is it?
I love you head to toe. A gift for Henry Robert. Read to you by your dad. Because I love you.
Okay, next page.
From head to toe, all through and through. I love how special God made you.
Next page.
I love your smile, so bright and wide. You just can't hide God's love inside.
Next page.
I love your tummy. It's cute and round. And when you laugh, I really love that sound.
Do you see the band?
I love your smile, so bright and wide. You just can't hide.
Next
I
page.
love your tummy. It's cute. I love your hands that clap so loud. And when they help, it makes me proud.
Oh, there's something on it. Our daddy put a quote.
I love your I love your legs that jump and run and dance around for silly fun.
See the next page. See the next page.
I love your squirmy, ticklish feet, and all those toes are oh so sweet. From top to bottom, through and through, remember this in all you do. You're special, 'cause God says it's true. And always, always, I love you.
Yay! The end. Yay! Did Daddy just read your book? Yeah.